everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing and setting up the brand new iPhone 16 in this beautiful shade of pink. I have the Plus version. Now, me personally, I am in love with this shade of pink. If you guys have followed me since last year, you'll know that I got the iPhone 15 in pink, and I did absolutely love that one. But this one, I feel like it's just that tad bit better because it's that more vibrant Barbie kind of pink, which is what I definitely prefer. Having said that, I've seen so many people who absolutely hate this shade of pink and say that it looks more like a purple. So I'm really interested to see, what do you guys think? Do you think this is a better shade of pink compared to the iPhone 15? And also, do you think that it looks purple or do you think it looks pink? Now, along with the release of the iPhone 16, we also have the release of iOS 18, which brings some really cool new features that I feel like make it so much easier to customize your iPhone more than ever before. I feel like that's something that Android have always done better than Apple. So it's really interesting seeing Apple trying to tap into that side of things a little bit more. So I'm definitely going to be running through some of the brand new iOS 18 features with you guys today as well. I just want to give a huge thank you to cyrill for sponsoring today's video. They've sent me some absolutely adorable cases for the new phone, which I feel like you guys are going to absolutely adore. So I'm very excited to show you them. And then last but not least, we are also going to be unboxing the brand new AirPod Maxes in this gorgeous shade of purple. This is the first pair of AirPod Maxes that I've ever owned. In fact, I don't even own any AirPods. I've used both, but I don't actually own any myself. Now, one last thing I want to say before we get on with today's video is that this is your reminder that you do not need to upgrade your phone every single year. The only reason that I do it is because I am a tech creator. This is my job to make videos on the latest tech releases. So please don't watch this video and feel like you have to upgrade. If you have the iPhone 13 onwards, honestly, not much need to upgrade. If you want to, of course, go ahead. It's your money. You can do what you want with it. But yeah, please just don't watch this video and feel like you need to upgrade your phone every single year, because you definitely do not. As I said, the only reason I do it is because this is one of my jobs. Let's unbox them. So let's get into what's new with the iPhone 16. So the one that most people have been excited about is the new camera capture button. This is basically the button on the side of the phone that allows you to quickly open your camera app, quickly zoom in and out, and also switch easily between different photographic styles, so different filters that you can use within your camera. You can also click it to take photos, or you can hold it to take videos. Now, the button itself does have tactile feedback, so you can feel the press even when the phone is in silent mode. I was very critical of this when I first heard about it, but I must admit I've actually found this button so useful over the past few days. The only annoying thing I have found about it is that it is not very compatible with tripods, because the pressure from the tripod will keep pressing the button, if that makes sense. So you kind of need to angle your phone
in the tripod tactically. Next up, we also have the customizable action button on the base models now. Again, this is just a button on the side that has replaced the mute switch that you can set to do whatever you want it to do. So maybe you want it to open your torch, you want it to record a voice memo, or you can just keep it as your mute button. I have set mine as do not disturb because I do use that so often. Okay, now let's get into some of the customization settings on iOS 18. So firstly, you can now change the appearance of your icons by holding down, clicking edit in the top right hand corner, and then clicking on customize. And here you can set your icons to light mode, dark mode, automatic mode, or you can choose tinted, which basically just allows you to pick a custom color for your icons, which I really like. I obviously set mine as pink. And if you like a more clean, minimalistic look, you can now also remove the text from underneath your icons by clicking between small and large. And as you can see, when you click on large, that removes the text. So play around and see what kind of style you like for you. Okay, and a few other features, you can now also place your apps anywhere on your home screen, so you can drag them exactly where you want them to be. And then lastly, if you're someone who likes widgets, which I personally love, especially my Notion ones, you can now easily drag to resize your widgets as well. Actually, I lied, that wasn't last, because you can also now completely customize your control panel as well. And also you can now add third-party apps into your control panel. And again, we have that really cool drag to resize feature. So I definitely need to play around with my control panel and get it to exactly how I want it to be. Okay, and then this is how my home screen ended up looking. I love it so much, and I'd love to see how you guys have customized yours. So definitely send me a DM on Instagram or tag me on Instagram with what you did to yours. Now, the first thing all of us look for when we bought a new phone is a new phone case to help us keep our new device protected. And today I'm partnering with cyrill to show you some that I picked, and I just know you guys are gonna obsess over. So first up, we have their ultra sheer pink butterflies case. And by the way, all of their latest cases for the iPhones are all MagSafe compatible, which is a necessity for me because I love the option to use wireless charging. You can see the cases are super sturdy, which I prefer. I'm not a fan of the bendy cases because they just don't feel that protective. They also have a cutout for the camera capture button, so even when you have this case on, it will still function as normal, and it is still super easy to use, which was definitely something I was worried about. But yeah, as you can see, no problems there. The case itself, as you can see, it's kind of this sheer material, so that gorgeous pink color will still show through. And I am actually also obsessed with this white around the camera ring too. I think that looks so sleek. Okay, next up, we also have the ultra sheer ballerina case, which is actually my favorite and the one I decided to use first. This just looks so adorable. And by the way, these are only $36, which I think is really fair and affordable compared to some other brands. I am just obsessed with this one. Then we have the ultra sheer pink passion case, and this one is so gorgeous too. My only wish is that the heart would hug the Apple logo a little bit better, but I'm still in love with the colorways on this one. Finally, we have the bunnies and bows case, which is giving coquette. I think this one would look so amazing with the pink iPhone 15 as well. Thank you so much to cyrill for sponsoring this video, and I'll pop a link to all of these cases in the description box below. I really love them so much, and I'd also love to see cyrill bring some cute accessories too, like phone charms or MagSafe accessories. Okay, and to finish off today's video, let's get into the unboxing of the brand new AirPod Maxes in the new shade purple. So this will be my first time ever trying out the AirPod Maxes, so I will definitely be sure to come back and let you guys know my thoughts on them, whether I think they're worth the money and what I think of the sound quality and also the noise cancelling. But thank you so much for joining me for today's unboxing. Make sure you hit subscribe and drop a comment and tell me what you think of the new releases. Also let me know if there's anything you want me to cover, because I'll definitely be giving my updated thoughts on both of these products. But until then, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you guys in the next video.